I didn't know there was a severe thunderstorm warning issued for my county.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a thunderstorm warning for East Central Ferry County to Northeast Washington, North Central Stevens County to Northeast Washington, Wayne County, Stevens County, Washington.
Nothing. This isn't even for my county. This is fucking crazy.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Bennewaw County in the Panhandle of Idaho, northern Latah County in the Panhandle of Idaho, east central Whitman County until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm producing large hail up to ping pong ball size in the Pullman area and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pullman, Moscow, Potlatch, Palouse, Garfield, Albion, Onaway, Farmington, Tensed, Princeton, Sanders, Viol, and Harvard. This storm has a history of producing large hail from near Pomeroy to Pullman. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties.